Hi students, this is Ramalakshmi Physics faculty. In this video, I am going to discuss about contact forces. To understand about this topic, let us take an example. On a smooth horizontal surface, take two blocks. These two blocks in contact. Mass of the first block is 3 kg and mass of the second block 2 kg. So mass of the first block is greater than the mass of the second block. M1 greater than M2. There is no frictional force in between these two blocks. At the same time, there is no frictional force in between this surface and the blocks. So friction is completely neglected. 20 newtons of force is applied on the 3 kg mass. Here we applied force only on the 3 kg mass. Directly we are not provided any force to the 2 kg mass. But these two masses in contact. So because of that contact force, this 3 kg pushes 2 kg in forward direction. At the same time, this 2 kg mass also exerts the same force in opposite direction. So, a contact force is developed in between 3 kg mass at the same time 2 kg mass. Let us take N1 is the contact force on 2 kg because of 3 kg. At the same time, 2 kg also exerts the same contact force on 3 kg. But what about the magnitude of the contact force in between these two masses? Same. N1 is equals to N2 is equals to N. Now first find out the acceleration of the system. These two masses moving in the direction of the applied force. That means acceleration of the system is in the same direction of the applied force. Let it be A. We know net force is equals to mass of the system into acceleration. So write the formula also here. F is equals to m1 plus m2 into A. So from this, acceleration is equals to net force by total mass. A is equals to F by m1 plus m2. A is equals to applied force 20 Newton and mass is 5 kg. So acceleration of the system 4 meter per second square. So with how much force 3 kg mass moving in forward direction? Let us find out. F1 is equals to mass of the first block into acceleration. That is equals to 3 into 4. That is equals to 12 Newton. And what about 2 kg? F2 is equals to M2A. Mass of the second block 2 kg and acceleration is same. 2 into 4 is equals to 8 Newton. So 12 plus 8 is equals to 20 Newton. So 2 kg mass accelerated by using a force of 8 Newton. So this 8 Newton is contact force. 2 kg mass get this force because of contact force. So N1 is equals to 2 kg is accelerated by using a force of 8 Newton and it exerts the same force in opposite direction also. So here N1 is equals to N2 is equals to 8 Newtons. So now check the formula how to find out the normal force in between the two bodies. To find out the normal force, N is equals to M2 into A. Remember this. Take one more example. When 3 blocks in contact, then how can we calculate the normal force in between the bodies? Let us take mass of the first body M1, second one M2 and third one M3. When we applied a force on M1, let it be F. First find out acceleration. A is equals to net force by total mass of the system M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is the formula to find out the acceleration. So contact force developed in between M1, M2 At the same time, M2 also exerts a contact force on M1. Let it be N1. Same in between M2 and M3. Let it be N2. First find out contact force N1. N1 is equals to M2 plus M3 into acceleration. So M2 plus M3, in place of acceleration, F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So now contact force in between M2 and M3, N2 is equals to M3 into A. M3 into F by M1 plus M2 plus M3.